What up, y'all? So I don't know what day this is, but whatever day you're watching this, the spoiler is off. I got most of this 3M off, little marks, but for the most part, it's smooth. So that's ready. Flares are off. Got to sand those down just a little bit. Jams are painted, so all of that's done. Well, I still got to do this, the door, like the door itself. So still got to do that, but they're sanded. Mirrors are sanded. Hood, all the chips in the hood are sanded. All of the chips in the bumper are sanded, which you don't realize how many miles 200,000 miles is until you gotta fix all the damage from 200,000 miles. But anyway, this is all sanded down. Got some rock chips that was all up in the fender, so all of that's sanded. So I think I got one more something. Yeah, I might have to do some sanding down here. Yeah, well, that's just, yeah, it's like scuffs right there. So I'm gonna sand those, all of that, get that kind of smooth, and wash this thing, and then it'll be time to start wrapping. So my plan is to take this fender off so I can get all the way in here and get this little edge of the door that goes that way, since I don't know if I'll be able to reach it good enough to tuck it in there and cut it. So I might take this fender off, and I'm looking at it and maybe I can reach it, but I don't want to risk not being able to get it in there good and cut. So I might take this fender off to wrap it. But yeah, once I get the mirrors off later, I gotta do all this sanding because of how it was painted the first time. So everything was painted all together. So like this is supposed to be rubber, but that got painted. And then since it's rubber, you know, a little vibration, it started chipping all through there. So yeah, all this got to come off. All this got to be sanded and wash everything. I still gotta fix this crack, so this will be later today. I'm gonna try to Dremel it out a little bit, add some fiberglass, let it dry, Bondo everything smooth. So that's where we are. I didn't record fixing this fiberglass part, so I'm just gonna do overlays on it, so you can see the process. But basically, Dremeled out the crack to make it a little wider, filled it with resin, and then actual fiberglass strands. Once that dried, sanded all of the excess strands off, sanded everything pretty smooth, and here we are now with Bondo on it. So once this Bondo is dry, you know, dry enough to really sand and not flake up, this is actually just spot putty right now. So I'm gonna see if I can just get it with just this. If not, I'll mix up some Bondo. But we're gonna sand this down, get it smooth. I'll probably prime this section just to make sure that it's even and you can't see the transition. And then it'll be time for a wash and to start the wrap. All right, so got a little Bondo on here. So all of those scratches or whatever, those are gone. So time to wash this car, and I will get back at y'all tomorrow when I start wrapping it.